Welcome to Sudoku SkVm. I'm going to solve the Statesman newspaper Sudoku puzzle on July 16, 2023. 4-star Sudoku. Column B, we have 2 and 8. So 2 and 8 can't come these cells. It will come in another 2 cells. 5th row, we had you 2. So 2 can't come in the cell 2 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. Then 4th grid, 3 numbers are remaining 1, 9, 6. It will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. 2nd row, we have 6 and 8. So 6 and 8 can't come these cells. It will come in another 2 cells. Column E, where do you 6? So 6 can't come in the cell, 6 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. Then 2nd grid, 3 numbers are remaining 3, 7, 4. It will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. Then 2nd row, 2 numbers are remaining 2, 1, 9. Column C, we already got 2. So 2 can't come in the cell, 2 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. 7th grid and 4th row, we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells. Then 2 is confirmed here. Then 4th row, we have 1 and 9. So 1 and 9 can't come this cell. It will come in another 2 cells. 8th row, we already have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell, 9 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Then column D, only 1 number is remaining 3. 3 is confirmed here. Column C, we have 3. 8th row also we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells. Then 3 is confirmed here. 8th row, 9th row, we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells. Then 3 is confirmed here. Column I, we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells. 3 will come in one of these cells. We'll confirm later. 6th row, I have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell. 3 will come in one of these cells. We'll confirm later. Then column I, column J, we have pair numbers 3 and 6. So 3 and 6 can't come these cells. It will come in another 2 cells. 3rd row, we already have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell. 6 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Then column H, 2 numbers are remaining 4 and 7. It will come in one of these cells. We'll confirm later. 9th row, column I, we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells. Then 2 is confirmed here. 8th row, we have 1. So 1 can't come in the cell. Column J also we have 1. So 1 can't come in the cell. Then 1 is confirmed here. The 9th grid, 2 numbers are remaining 5 and 8. It will come in one of these cells. We'll confirm later. 10th row, column E, we have 8. So 8 can't come these cells. The 8 is confirmed here. 9th row, we have 8. So 8 can't come in the cell. 8 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Column F, 9th row, we have pair numbers 1 and 5. So 1 and 5 can't come these cells. It will come in another 2 cells. We'll confirm later. Then 8th grade, 2 numbers are remaining 4 and 7. It will come in another these cells. We'll confirm later. Then 10th row, 2 numbers are remaining 4 and 7. It will come in another these cells. We'll confirm later. 8th row, we have 6. So 6 can't come these cells. Then 6 is confirmed here. 5th row and 6th row, we have 8. So 8 can't come these cells. Then 8 is confirmed here. Column I, 3rd row, we have 8. So 8 can't come these cells. Then 8 is confirmed here. 3rd row, we have 5. So, already we have 5. Column J, we have 5. So 5 can't come these cells. 7th row also we have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell. Then 5 is confirmed here. Column E, column F, we have 2. 5th row and 7th row also we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells. Then 2 is confirmed here. 7th row, we have 1 and 5. So 1 and 5 can't come this cell. It will come in another 2 cells. 5th row, we already have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell. 5 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Then we can confirm 1 also here. Then column G, 2 numbers are remaining 4 and 7. It will come in one of these cells. We'll confirm later. Then 7th row, 5th row, we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells. Then 1 is confirmed here. Then 6 and 9, it will come in one of these cells, we'll confirm later. Column F, we have 5 and 9. So 5 and 9 can't come this cell, it will come in one of the two cells. 6th grade, we already have 5. So 5 can't come in this cell, 5 is confirmed here. The 9 is here. Then 6th row, only one number is remaining, 7. 7 is confirmed here. 5th grade, we get 7. So 7 can't come in this cell, 7 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Then column F, we get 7. So 7 can't come in this cell, 7 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Then 8th grade, only one number is remaining, 7. 7 is confirmed here. 9th row, we get 7. So 7 can't come in this cell, 7 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Then 7th grade, two numbers are remaining, 4 and 5. It will come in one of these cells, we'll confirm later. Then column F, two numbers are remaining, 3 and 6. Second row, we already have 6. So 6 can't come in this cell, 6 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. And second row, only one number is remaining, 4. 4 is confirmed here. Then 5th grade, two numbers are remaining, 3 and 9. It will come in one of these cells, we'll confirm later. 5th row, we have 6. So 6 can't come in this cell, 6 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. 5th row, we have 9. So 9 can't come in this cell, 9 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. 5th row, we have 3. So 3 can't come in this cell, then 3 is confirmed here. Then 6th grade, two numbers are remaining, 4 and 7. 7th row, we already have 4. So 4 can't come in this cell, 4 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Then column J, only one number is remaining, 7. 7 is confirmed here. Then column I, two numbers are remaining, 4 and 9. 4th row, we have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell, 9 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Then third row, two numbers are remaining, 1 and 4. Column B, we already have 1. So 1 can't come in the cell, 1 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Column B, we have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell, 4 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Then first grade, two numbers are remaining, 5 and 7. Column C, we have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell, 7 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share in this video. Thank you very much.